AT&T internet disconnections often happen due to network congestion, faulty equipment, or external interference. Network congestion is common during peak hours, as AT&T's recent fiber expansion strains their infrastructure. Faulty equipment, like the BGW210 modem, can cause issues due to software glitches in gateways. External interference or signal loss can occur from microwaves or obstacles like thick walls. Start with basic troubleshooting by power cycling your modem or router. Unplug the device for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the equipment and often resolves temporary issues. Next, check for loose cable connections. Ensure coaxial and Ethernet cables are securely plugged in at both ends. Loose connections can cause intermittent disconnections. Use the My AT&T app to run diagnostic tests. Open the app and navigate to the Internet section to check connection status and run automated tests for any issues. For signal issues, try repositioning antennas on your router. Adjust their orientation and position to improve Wi-Fi coverage and reduce drops. AT&T often uses combined gateway devices like the BGW320, which combines modem and router functions in one unit. Gateway devices can overheat from poor ventilation or high usage, leading to automatic shutdowns. Running outdated firmware can cause instability. Check for updates in your router settings. Multiple devices with the same IP address can cause network conflicts and disconnections. Ensure proper ventilation, update firmware regularly, and check router settings for IP conflicts. If disconnections are limited to Wi-Fi, start by checking your signal strength using the AT&T Smart Home Manager app. This tool helps identify weak areas in your home network. Older devices may struggle with modern networks and cause Wi-Fi drops. Upgrading to Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7 provides faster speeds, better reliability, and reduced interference. To eliminate dead zones and improve coverage throughout your home, consider using mesh extenders such as AT&T's whole home Wi-Fi system or compatible third-party options. Different internet types have varying signal reliability. DSL connections are susceptible to noise that can disrupt service. Fiber optic cables, however, provide more reliable connections due to their design. 5G home internet relies on cellular towers for connection and can be affected by various forms of interference, such as physical barriers or electronic devices. Rural areas often experience weaker signals compared to urban locations, leading to more frequent disconnections and lower performance. To address signal problems, consider installing a signal booster to improve 5G home internet uptime, particularly in areas with poor coverage. AT&T's modem leasing fees often lead to neglected maintenance, which can contribute to connection issues. Switching to a third-party modem can provide better stability by bypassing AT&T's equipment limitations. Always ensure the modem is compatible with AT&T's network before purchasing to avoid further issues. If basic troubleshooting steps, like power cycling or checking cables, don't resolve your AT&T internet disconnection issues, it's time to contact AT&T support. Persistent outages or signal issues often indicate larger network problems affecting your area, rather than just your equipment. AT&T's AI-driven diagnostics can predict potential outages and help identify issues, but sometimes professional intervention from their support team is necessary to fully resolve the problem.